make a paper boat. My dad's gonna do it.
We'll make a paper boat of swimming time.
Okay,
To
there you
go
go.
like this.
This is a paper boat. That's what we're going to be trying to do that. Okay, just take a piece of paper.
It's gonna be quite hard though.
Yeah.
Okay.
Make an airplane.
Right, hold it here.
Make an airplane, Dad.
Right, make sure it's...
Make an airplane.
Shut up.
Shh,
Aslan. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, up to there.
Okay. That's it. Keep making a straight line. Straight line.
Until it's like really straight.
Yep. And hold this back. And make it good crease. Make sure. Okay.
It's gonna be like this, remember, okay?
And take this bit off as also.
Try erasing all that over.
Yeah.
There.
Okay. Take this bit off. Okay. Paper like that.
Let me just get this.
We got crease here. Make another crease over here as well. Okay, make another crease. Okay, from here, bring
I'll
this
just
one.
make out my own thing.
Okay, bring it over
Oh
here,
my god.
over here, and this bit over here.
Yeah.
So, in fact, just
So
bring
guys-
all the corner in one bit.
I can't move.
Look what I made.
Okay, that's there also. And this one here as well.
Aslan, get off it.
That's quite easy and simple. I'm just trying to show you a simple bit. Okay, that's about this one.
You just fold it
Right,
over.
fold over from here, fold it over,
Then
bring it
bend
all the way
it to the line.
to the line.
To
Yep,
the line.
and straight to the line.
And out to the mill.
And I bring this bit as well to the line
And
as
to
well.
the mill. And to the mill. Yay!
Okay, this
And out to the mill.
What was that?
And out to the mill. To the mill now. To the mill.
right. You just fold that bit as well.
OS.
Easy.
Yeah, and just make a circle.
Okay, and bring it from this bit, all these 4 bits, fold it to here as well. One bit, another bit, and this is another bit, another bit also as well.
Then you just try
Okay.
based on this.
And what we'll do next, from here to this line, bring it over here. Okay, and this bit also.
Then you do the other side the same.
The same, yeah. You're gonna do that
And
the same as
and
well.
make it like an
The
airplane.
other side.
Okay.
Then do
Just-
the other side of
You
the
can
same.
make an airplane like it.
Okay.
Can even make it
And
like an
from here,
airplane.
Shush.
this to corner, bring it to the line as well.
The
Yeah.
same part as the other side.
Same kind of way. Yep. that's
Same
right.
part, the same size in the whole entire world.
Oh my god.
And the same size.
So dumb.
Okay. And this all the way here. We're
And
almost
the
done.
same size.
We're almost done.
And the same size.
And,
Don't listen
and
to that
from
guy.
here,
And
you
the
hold it
same
here.
size.
And the same size, yeah. And from here, you hold here and hold here.
Then
you
you
hold
take
this,
it out.
this to here. Try to hold it. This is a tricky part here. Hold it all the way down.
Then you push it.
Just push it in. That's right, yeah.
Like push it like inside.
Push it inside. Yep.
What's that?
Don't worry, we're all going to be okay.
Okay.
Okay, right, there you go.
Then you make the top part
And then you make a wee
like this.
thing as well. And that's
Oh,
nice.
look, the same.
That's all, yeah. That's all we've done. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.